next straight line.
Oh, no.
You guys like here's that.
How many?
4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. Before we start the next part.
Oh, my hands are so that nonsense. I'm probably going to watch the tape too.
Oh, what?
Well, if they are beautifully perfect, I will tell you guys how to
Okay, count them.
But imagine having to cut one of this.
That's what we have to do.
Weird portion. Okay, you guys have probably the hardest because cutting this isn't very easy. But it's tricky because that was bigger. That's almost like a four. Like one of their pieces.
You took the hard job.
Okay, you guys got one stuff? Okay. How many halves do you have? Before I left my house. Okay. Okay, how many pieces of one do you have? How many ones do you have? Who's got a third? How many do you have up to right now?
How many have left?
How many pieces do you have? How many thirds of pieces do you have? You guys have fourths? How many fourths do you have right now?
70.
You have 70 fourths little pieces?
Yeah.
Okay, that's one of them. And the fifth, you guys have how many pieces?
I don't know.
Well, count how many fifths do you have? How many pieces of fifths do you have?
Well,
Count it. Count how many you have.
well, we had 11.
No, count
We
it
had
out.
11 pieces. So 11.
Okay, 29.
And you're doing thirds?
Yeah.
Okay, just cut like 4 more or 5
We
more
have
of them.
55 pieces.
Okay, so you guys are good. Yeah, 4 more of those thirds.
No, 55
And then we'll start.
How many
Well, wait, we have one group left. We have one group left to cut. You guys can stop because you're done. You guys are done. You guys are good. Not yet. You guys are done. You guys are done. Okay. Now, while those guys are finishing cutting, listen, guys. Guys. Get my camera back. Okay. Now that you've cut the pieces, what I'm going to do is give you guys each group 5 plastic bags. And each of the plastic bags, you're going to go around and collect, for example, on this slip, it says 3/1. So you're going to go to the group with the ones, with the whole ones, and grab 3 pieces. Then you'll go to the group with the halves, which was you guys back there. This one says 7/2, so you're going to grab 7 halves, 7 of those pieces. This one says, next one, 2 out of 3, so our thirds is you guys. You'll come over here to this group and take 2 thirds, 2 of the third pieces. But what you want to do is put them in each of the different bags because they're not all perfect. Like our fifths, guys, some of their pieces look like fourths or thirds, and it's kind of hard to figure out. So you're going to take your fifths pieces and stick them in one bag, your thirds and stick them in one bag, your fourths in one bag, your ones in one bag, and your whatever is missing in the other bag. Once you've done that, then you guys are going to add up these numbers and figure out if you think that you have the most of every other group. Only one group has the most. I added it up, I know. I actually have a program that adds it up for me. I'm kind of cheating. We'll see if you guys can figure out which group got first, and you're good. All right. I'm going to hand you a slip. I'm going to hand you 5 baggies. Each person in your group, hopefully, you know where the ones are, correct? Ones, halves, thirds, fourths, and fifths right here. Okay? Let's pick the group that hasn't been involved so far. And John, you do not know which one's going to win. Pieces. You don't know which one's going to win. Not yet. Once I give you the slip, add up, figure out if you think you have the most. I told you, only one group has the most. You don't know how.
You have 58, not 30.
Add them up. See, not yet. Add up what you have and figure out if you have the most or not. Add up and figure out how much you should be getting in the end. 4, 5. Okay? Okay, take a moment, guys. Look at your slips, add up together how many pieces, guys, add up on your slip. How many do you think that by the time you're done, how many total licorice strips do you think you'll have after you add everything up? How many do you think that you'll have? Take a moment, take a couple moments, figure out how many you think you'll have. I'll give you extra points if you can figure out exactly how many you think you'll have.
How many do you have here?
No, not there. You're going to go around and pick up halves and fourths and thirds and fifths. How many do you think that you'll have?
We gotta pick up 6 out of
You have to. So you'll take 6 of the halves, which are right there. You're going to go to the thirds.